Oh yes, the walls are here. I would have liked to have a prefabricated house placed on the land, but because of this little narrow channel here between my house and the path, I had to have it made on the spot. So they kind of made the walls at their factory, and then they are taking them here piece by piece to put them in place. They're still quite heavy. And boy, if you're Jamaican, you know, black man, white man, Chinese man, and a black man, they may try carry, you know. So, I'm not gonna say a white man or Chinese man either, but them struggle hard. Forget it up there. Anyway, it's up. I'm going around there to look inside. Skylar, of course, has to come with me. So this is what it looks like. There's gravel on the ground because they don't put the concrete on the floor yet. But these are the four walls from the inside. And yes, it's steel studs they are using, not wood. Because they said that's what they do. It will make the building stronger. So even those metal frames on the ground is for the roof. That's what they're putting up there. That's the rest of them. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Now, these people, they will leave the good weather and I don't see them turn up, but they are up here in the snow working. Look like them like when the cold bite them, you know. Okay, so this is Ken delivering the windows and doors for the unit. You know, this snow as well. Them have to carry them. You know, their finger burn off, you know. But that for them business. Now this man is starting to install the roof panels where they will put the zinc on top. They call that wood OSB, I believe, but basically it's particle board. So when everything went on top, that's what it looked like. Yeah, it's coming along. Four walls up. Now we need the outside pieces put on. That's just a close-up of the ceiling. This is what it looks like with the home wrap. And now they're adding the styrofoam insulation to the entire exterior. And that is what should keep the building warm and guard against the cold in the wintertime.